Okay, let's go! Flying with Jensei specs, whiplash, 730.
Geht doch!
Next one, they're coming out with a new carpet group, which is a little bit lighter, reduce weight. And if you want to let them go lower to the deck, let's make some noise. Okay, fly a little bit lower, Jens. You can do lower. So, miniature aircraft is on the second stage. Quite a big stand with all new stuff there. Also the new Interceptor, which is coming out end of April. Ooh. Well, get them some applause. First crash. So now we are going to get to pilots, Matthew and Stefan. Stefan flies the F3C fuselage, which is the new Impulse design, specifically designed for F3C. Let's see how stable that is. On the left side we have Matthew Wild flying the OS 55 Hyper engine, next 4 servos on the Fury 57. The Fury will get some updates later this year, like no boom supports, bigger tail boom. Stefan is flying nicely in the background. Okay, Matthew, can you do some hurricanes? Small ones. F3C fuselage, which Stefan is flying, is designed by Jos Scanners and will be available at the end of April. There's also coming a new Augusta 109 Bell 407 and S350 with all the necessary hardware for 700 size fuselage. Okay, do some TikToks. Yeah, give him some applause.
Ja, mal Zwischenapplaus. Alles in der Luft. 3D-Helikopter, Nitro-Motor, lange nur elektrisch, jetzt auch wieder Nitro.
Lebt so ein bisschen eine Renaissance, ne, das Nitro.
Ja,
ne?
Stefan Wiese hat den Whiplash hinten im F3C-Rumpf und zeigt hier wunderschön F3C-Flug.
Kann mich noch erinnern, ich war damals heilfroh, wo ich endlich elektrisch fliegen konnte, F3C. War ich nicht mal genügend Leistung zur Verfügung. Aber die modernen Motoren hier sind schon gut.
Great to see. So,
yeah, thank you for the German talk. Es geht besser, was jedes Mal geht.
Jetzt an den Start geht der Miniature Aircraft mit Antrieb mit einer kleinen Turbine. Wir haben hier eine kleine Turbine eingebaut, die extrem hoch dreht. Also die Systemdrehzahl der Turbine ist fast 200.000 Umdrehungen.
Matthew is flying the turbine version without the CGR system. And it's spinning. And going. So guys, this is turbine doing 3D. I think you can fly like 30 minutes like this. But you don't have 30 minutes of camera slot, so doing well 3D. The turbine has 7 horsepower. Has a twin shaft engine, and this one's flying with extra composite blades. Those are available at the aircraft store. I think it's the second time for Matthew flying the turbine, so that's nice.
So, meine Damen und Herren, das war das Lot von Miniature Aircraft. Ursprünglich eine Firma aus den USA, die in den 80ern gegründet wurde. Damals